Hey there, third grade. Welcome back to another reading assignment. Today's reading assignment looks a little bit different than what you are used to, but don't worry, I will show you how to complete it. The first thing you need to do is click the Thursday assignment Google Sheets link that is on your Google Classroom, and it will take you to something that looks like this. Today's assignment asks us to use text evidence as we are reading a passage. So you are going to read two passages. One is about Lacey and Katie's birthday, and the other one is about Nate. As you are reading the passages, make sure to read carefully and pay very close attention to the details because the questions will ask you to go back into the text to be able to find your answer choices. Now, I know the text looks a little bit tiny, but don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can zoom in or out to be able to read it. If you find this bar of tools up at the top, there is one that says 100%. You can click on this little arrow at the bottom and change how big or how small you are seeing the image. Right now we're at 100%, so it fits our page, but if you need to zoom in a little bit more, you can press 125% and you will be able to see the text a little bit bigger. So the bigger you go, the more zoomed in you will be. If you're able to read it at 100%, I recommend you stay at 100%, but if you need to zoom in, that's okay too. In order to see what's down on the page, you will need to scroll down with this cursor, the one that's on the right side of your page, and to see the left and right side of your pages, you will need to use this cursor at the bottom. Now that we know how to use Google Sheets a little bit more, let's get back to talking about the passage and the questions. In this passage and questions, you are not going to be able to click on the right answer. So I recommend that you have a notebook and a pencil next to you, or a whiteboard and a dry erase marker to write your answers as you go along. You are going to need all of your answer choices to be able to unlock a mystery picture at the end. After reading all of the passages and answering all of the questions, you should have them all written down on your notebook, and you can go to this tab down here that says Put Your Answers Here. In this tab, you will enter all of the answer choices that you have already selected. So let's take a look at what this looks like. If your answer for question 1 was B, you would type B. I'm going to continue to enter all of my answer choices that I selected as we were reading this passage, just so you can see what this looks like. Take a look. It should reveal a mystery picture here on the left. Now, I don't think I was able to reveal the mystery picture because there's lots of purple and it's hiding the picture underneath. That lets me know that I got some questions incorrectly. If that happens, don't worry, just go back into the questions tab and review all of your answer choices. Maybe you made a mistake, or maybe you go back into the text and find exactly where that answer choice, what answer choice is correct. And you can come back and correct some of your answers and see if it makes any more of a change. At the end, you should have no purple dots and you should have revealed a mystery picture. I hope you have so much fun completing this assignment, and I will see you in tomorrow's assignment. Have a great day.